Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel Playful Math World. Today we are going to learn tables from number 1 to 20. We're going to learn, practice, and even discover some fun tricks to help you master them. Don't worry if this seems a lot. We'll make it fun and easy. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. 3 is equals to 3. 1 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4. 5 is equals to 5. 1 multiplied by 6 is equals to 6. 1 multiplied by 7 is equals to 7. 1 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8. 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9. 10 is equals to 10. Next, we are going to learn the tables of number 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. 2 multiplied by 7 equals 14. 2 multiplied by 8 equals 16. 2 multiplied by 9 equals 18. 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20. Good. We just learned the tables of number of 2. Now we are on the next step of the tables number 3. Here on the board we have 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3, 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6, 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15, 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18, 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21, 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24, 3 multiplied by 9 equals 27, 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. We finished the tables of number 3. Now next we're going to learn the tables of number 4. 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. 4 multiplied by 7 equals 28. 4 multiplied by 8 equals 32. 4 multiplied by 9 equals 36. 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40. On next tables, we are going to learn number 5. 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. 5 multiplied by 6 equals 30. 5 multiplied by 7 equals 35. 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40. 5 multiplied by 9 equals 45. 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50. Here we finish the table of number 5. Now let's move on to the next number. You know what number is it? Yes, you are right, number 6. Now we are going to learn the table of number 6. 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30. 6 multiplied by 6 equals 36. 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. 6 multiplied by 8 equals 48. 6 multiplied by 9 equals 54. 6 multiplied by 10 equals 60. Next, we are going to learn tables of number 7. Tables of number 7. 7 multiplied by 1 equals 7. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. 7 multiplied by 5 equals 35. 7 multiplied by 6 equals 42. 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49. 7 multiplied by 8 equals 56. 7 multiplied by 9 equals 63. 7 multiplied by 10 equals 70. Next, we are on the table of number 8. We have 8 multiplied by 1 equals 8. 8 multiplied by 2 equals 16. 8 multiplied by 3 equals 24. 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32. 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40. 8 multiplied by 6 equals 48. 8 multiplied by 7 equals 56. 8 multiplied by 8 equals 64. 8 multiplied by 9 equals 72. 8 multiplied by 10 equals 80. Here we finished the number 8. Next we are going to the number 9. On the next tables of number 9, we have 9 multiplied by 1 equals 9. 9 multiplied by 2 equals 18. 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. 9 multiplied by 4 equals 36. 9 multiplied by 5 equals 45. 9 multiplied by 6 equals 54. 9 multiplied by 7 equals 63. 9 multiplied by 8 equals 72. 9 multiplied by 9 equals 81. 9 multiplied by 10 equals 90. We just finished the table of number 9. Here next, we are on table of number 10. Remember, whenever we multiply 10 to any number, the last digits always come 0. Now we have 10 multiplied by 1 equals 10. 10 multiplied by 2 equals 20. 10 multiplied by 3 equals 30. 10 multiplied by 4 equals 40. 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50. 10 multiplied by 6 equals 60. 10 multiplied by 7 equals 70. 10 multiplied by 8 equals 80. 10 multiplied by 9 equals 90. 10 multiplied by 10 equals 100. Next, we are going to learn little further numbers. And after finishing the table of number 10, we are on the tables of number 11. Yes, you are right. Here on the board, we have 11 multiplied by 1 equals 11. 11 multiplied by 2 equals 22. 11 multiplied by 3 equals 33. 11 multiplied by 4 equals 44. 11 multiplied by 5 equals 55. 11 multiplied by 6 equals 66. 11 multiplied by 7 equals 77. 11 multiplied by 8 equals 88. 11 multiplied by 9 equals 99. 11 multiplied by 10 equals 110. Next, we are on the tables of number 12. And here, we have 12 multiplied by 1 equals 12. 12 multiplied by 2 equals 24. 12 multiplied by 3 equals 36. 12 multiplied by 4 equals 48. 12 multiplied by 5 equals 60. 12 multiplied by 6 equals 72. 12 multiplied by 7 equals 84. 12 multiplied by 8 equals 96. 12 multiplied by 9 equals 108. 12 multiplied by 10 equals 120. Here, next we have tables of number 13. Yes, you are right. We getting ahead with large numbers. We have 13 multiplied by 1 equals 13. 13 multiplied by 2 equals 26. 13 multiplied by 3 equals 39. 13 multiplied by 4 equals 52. 13 multiplied by 5 equals 65. 13 multiplied by 6 equals 78. 13 multiplied by 7 equals 91. 13 multiplied by 8 equals 104. 13 multiplied by 9 equals 117. 13 multiplied by 10 equals 130. Here, we finished the tables of number 13. Next, we are on the table of number 14. And here we have 14 multiplied by 1 is equals to 14. 14 multiplied by 2 is equals to 28. 14 multiplied by 3 is equals to 42. 14 multiplied by 4 is equals to 56. 14 multiplied by 5 is equals to 70. 14 multiplied by 6 is equals to 84. 14 multiplied by 7 is equals to 98. 14 multiplied by 8 is equals to 112. 14 multiplied by 9 is equals to 126. 14 multiplied by 10 is equals to 140. Next, we have number 15. Yes, you are right. We are going to learn the table of number 15, and here we have 15 multiplied by 1 is equals to 15. 15 multiplied by 2 is equals to 30. 15 multiplied by 3 is equals to 45. 15 multiplied by 4 is equals to 60. 15 multiplied by 5 is equals to 75. 15 multiplied by 6 is equals to 90. 15 multiplied by 7 is equals to 105. 15 multiplied by 8 is equals to 120. 15 multiplied by 9 is equals to 135. 15 multiplied by 10 is equals to 150. Now we are on the next table, number 16. And here we have 16 multiplied by 1 is equals to 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is equals to 32. 16 multiplied by 3 is equals to 48. 16 multiplied by 4 is equals to 64. 16 multiplied by 5 is equals to 80. 16 multiplied by 6 is equals to 96. 16 multiplied by 7 is equals to 112. 16 multiplied by 8 is equals to 128. 16 multiplied by 9 is equals to 144. 16 multiplied by 10 is equals to 160. Here, we are on the table of number 17. We have 17 multiplied by 1 is equals to 17. 17 multiplied by 2 is equals to 34. 17 multiplied by 3 is equals to 51. 17 multiplied by 4 is equals to 68. 17 multiplied by 5 is equals to 85. 17 multiplied by 6 is equals to 102. 17 multiplied by 7 is equals to 119. 17 multiplied by 8 is equals to 136. 17 multiplied by 9 is equals to 153. 17 multiplied by 10 is equals to 170. Now, we are on the table of number 18. 18 multiplied by 1 is equals to 18. 18 multiplied by 2 is equals to 36. 18 multiplied by 3 is equals to 54. 18 multiplied by 4 is equals to 72. 18 multiplied by 5 is equals to 90. 18 multiplied by 6 is equals to 108. 18 multiplied by 7 is equals to 126. 18 multiplied by 8 is equals to 144. 18 multiplied by 9 is equals to 162. 18 multiplied by 10 is equals to 180. Now, here on second last table, number 19, we have 19 multiplied by 1 is equals to 19. 19 multiplied by 2 is equals to 38. 19 multiplied by 3 is equals to 57. 19 multiplied by 4 is equals to 76. 19 multiplied by 5 is equals to 95. 19 multiplied by 6 is equals to 114. 19 multiplied by 7 is equals to 133. 19 multiplied by 8 is equals to 152. 19 multiplied by 9 is equals to 171. 19 multiplied by 10 is equals to 190. Next, we are on table of number 20. Yes, you are right, number 20. Here we have 20 multiplied by 1 is equals to 20. 20 multiplied by 2 is equals to 40. 20 multiplied by 3 is equals to 60. 20 multiplied by 4 is equals to 80. 20 multiplied by 5 is equals to 100. 20 multiplied by 6 is equals to 120. 20 multiplied by 7 is equals to 140. 20 multiplied by 8 is equals to 160. 20 multiplied by 9 is equals to 180. 20 multiplied by 10 is equals to 200. Here, we've finished the tables of all the numbers from 1 to 20. Times tables help us add quickly, do tricky math problems, and even when we get older, they help us in things like measuring, cooking, building, and shopping. Times tables are like little tools you'll carry with you all your life. Learning them makes lots of other things much easier. So who's ready to start learning? For more learning about math, subscribe to this channel, Playful Math World.